Bafana bakithi kushubile ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana uGrant Kekana uya-attack-wa but angazi ukuthi why uGrant Kekana attack-wa ngoba angiliboni mina iphutha akalenzile ngokusho ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns iyona ekhonyayo la ebholeni lala eSouth Africa yabo, ebholeni nje yabo, ngisho ngakhele iplastic ngakini but iSundowns iyalidominate lelo bhola lakho.
Yabona, when you see such statements that are made like this from a professional player, your team, you start to wonder, man, ukuthi hayi man, if I'm a player aleyo team acabanga kanje, shuthi mos le statement esenziwe coach le statement lesi ngathi it's valid, ngathi it's true ngoba lana you're not beating the allegations. Ngoba usho ukuthini, like usho ukuthini, into eshoyo ngoba manje wena ufuna ungitshela ukuthi South African football evolves around a club that says they do not want their players to sign to local teams ngoba they want to kill the competition. South African football revolves around a club that watched their opponents in Pitori, SuperSports, get sold because South African football revolves around a club. South African football revolves around a club that bakhona ukutshelwe i-Blue Bulls ukuthi sodlala ne-New Zealand or sodlala ne-Lions in the next week or 2 weeks. Don't use the grass. Go and play. Go Peter Mokaba. South African football revolves around a team that can't even build a stadium. Go Kasi, yawona. Go Mams. Can't build a stadium there. South African football revolves around a team that promotes buying more international players than relying on local talent and believes more on local talent. If you challenge the South African football, as in dlala ngathi wena. Dlala uthi kutsheleke boy. Nazi itearing. Yabo lezi itearing ze country lezi. If they had to make a documentary about the PSL tomorrow, nazi itearing zakhona. Ukhona nawe sakubona ukhona, hayi usakuvuma ukhona shame. But itearing nazi itearing. Yeah, inkunzi zebhola kule country inazi inkunzi. Thank you.
Yabona na uphisa i-statement sa Grant Kekana uthi uGrant Kekana, they are still chasing us. Sibonise phela i-team yakho iwina i-league 8 times in a row. Usibonise i-team yakho ithatha i-second star yabo. Na uphikisa nje leso statement kuningi kumele usibonise kona. Uphinde usibonise i-team yakho iqualify kwesithathu for i-Club World Cup. Usibonise i-team yakho iyodlala ibhola elihle ku-Club World Cup kuze kuthiwa bese ngazi ukuthi likhona ibhola eSouth Africa until sibone iMamelodi Sundowns. Usibonise ugoalkeeper wakho Africa #1 nominated for iBallon d'Or yabo. Kuningi nje kusema kumele usibonise khona na usaphikisa i-statement saGrant Kekana yabo. Na ukuthi nje ulabantu abahlasela uGrant Kekana ngathi kumele ucabange kabili kathathu before umhlasela ngoba hayi ngathi akuhambanga kahle.
See, when it comes to South African football, Mamelodi Sundowns can win literally everything. They can win the league 8 times, 10 times, 15 times in a row. They can win the MTN8, Nedbank, Carling Knockout. They can win everything. Mamelodi Sundowns can win everything. But when it comes to South African football, there are 2 teams that everything revolves around. Without Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, we know that South African football is nothing. That's just a fact. So when it comes to everything revolving around a team, just 2 teams, Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. That's the unfortunate part, but somebody's out there lying to himself. I mean, that's just lying to yourself. Everything revolves around. It's a little bit funny because from how I see this, I just see this as somebody who's trying to be on social media, a topic of discussion or whatever. Just trying to get public attention so that people can talk about you. It's just a little bit funny. And then there's an interview a coach did, and then he said something. So as a Mamelodi Sundowns fan, it means you're not allowed to constructive criticize the players. Because if you're going to give constructive criticism, the coach is going to come and say that you take a lot and you don't understand anything about the club. I mean, it's something else. It's something else. I mean, but anyway, that's just how it is.
Something Grand Kekana. There was an interview at Grand Kekana not so long during the week. Grand Kekana are football revolves around Sundowns. Grand Kekana is telling the truth when he says football revolves around Sundowns. Sure. It's about time as football clubs, as the football fraternity. We must accept where Sundowns is the best. It has been proven, not only once but twice by the Two Stars team. Sundowns has been all over the continent. When Grand Kekana says football revolves around Sundowns, he knows what he's talking about. Have we been where Sundowns has been? Never. We haven't been. Never. So what's on Rengang? We must just accept and understand what it's about time. We start learning from Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, we all know they play football, and football starting from goalkeeper. Each and every single team, already when you go and face Sundowns, you know how they are going to play.
Hey, angizwa lenkulumo kaGrant mina. Angizwa at all. If when uyizwa woza mfethu ungichazele comment section, angilwi and angixabani naye futhi angixabani nawe. But angizwa lenkulumo yakhe. Uthi everything evolves around them. Ingakho believe uthi Pirates sabachase namanje. Angizwa mhlawumbe mina ngiyifunda ngendlela wrong, angizwa. Yabo. Ubunarcissist bonke loboke. Ucabanga ukuthi yonke into ingawe. Wonke lama team awu15 asikhiphe iSundowns. Wonke lama team awu15 afuna isuccess, ajaha isuccess. If kuuthi Sundowns si successful ke yona ke enough. Bajaha le position iSundowns ekuyona not ukuthi bajaha iSundowns. No. Bajaha i-position yokuba successful. Bajaha i-success, not i-Sundowns. Not everything must be about i-Sundowns. You know, yabona uGrant la, I think usi-adoptele istyle sama-fans. Ama-fans i-Sundowns asayenza lento ukuthi i-team eyenza kahle avela izonde. Umdlali oyihlukumezayo bavele bamzonde. Namanje uRel uze wahamba bamfuna noma bambone nala ehambe khona. Yini izinto akayenza kuRonwen Williams. iPirates abayifuna noma bayibone bengamane bakubulale basupport wonke ama team balwisana neOrlando Pirates ngoba it's the only team Orlando Pirates ekwazile ukuphakamisa isandla kuthina siyama manje siyafuna nathi lento eniyiphethe siyajaha manje sifuna ukuwina yonke into nathi yabo efethu ukuphosa inselelo kuyinto ebalekile kabi ube isibonelo ebantwini. Hayi ke masusuwenze kahle wena wedwa kusufuna wonke umuntu afeke ubukwe wena ke kucelwe kukhotha isigwili sendawo kukhothanywa kuwena ke manje kucelwa kuwena isinkwa imvuthu so Lazarus thina yabo kucelwa kuwena ke manje modla ikhekhe liqhephuke liwele kuthina ngoba nakho masithi zama ukuyitholela wethu amakhekhe ucabanga ukuthi sesifuna ukuzenza wena yabo uthi uKhadosa abalandeli beSundowns ibhola balilazi kodwa bakhuluma kakhulu ivideo kaKhadosa hamba ucheck uzayithola ivideo lesho njalo khona uKhadosa uthi abalandeli beSundowns most abibhola balilazi kodwa bakhuluma kakhulu abayithandi kawuyithandi team abayisupport na kahle yabo I quote amazwi kaKhadosa la kona wami yabo uGrant umayethi iPirates abachase and because everything evolves around them yini lo everything leyo ukuthi wonke ama team mele manje ibukele iSundowns ushaye ke manje wonke ama team mele abukele iSundowns manje iSundowns ibhubhudla ngapha ngapha baba athi umuntu iSundowns yadominate eMzansi dominatorni what are they dominating exactly if bebe dominator eMzansi ngaba bashawa ngapha nangapha njengesigubhu saseZayoni kumaCups kumaCups bashawa ngapha nangapha MTN 8 Nedbank Cup Carling Cup bayabhubha induku by winner league kuphela because kwi-league simple kwi-league uyabudliwa umgqibelo udraw ngolesibili uwine ngolesithathu uwine ngomgqibelo uwine ngolesibili udraw ngomgqibelo so ileague izomhamba uyiwine lapho because vele uyasimaintain standard but kuma-Cups ama-game awu5 ushayiwe lapho wena uhlule ukubamba leyo nto bese kuthi awudominate lutho wena we are not dominating we win a league yabo so lento kaGrant nabalandeli ngifuna baphume lonto leyo nothi ukuthi i-team ezamayo ukubhukama baba ama team akhelwa ukuwina ama trophies akhelwa ukuletha competition yabo if ezozama ama-team ukukhuphula amasokisi adlale enze lento akayidalelwe wona ama-team yabo enze lento ama-team ayi-inventelwe yona ukuthi awine ama-trophies ajahe success ayenze kahle if ukuthi ku-wrong lokho ngoba mayekwenza it's like a chase i-Sundowns yini ebaluleka ngayo i-Sundowns what's so special about i-Sundowns you people won i-CAF Champions League but you are still glued and obsessed with Orlando Pirates angithi i-Pirates win i-league into encane nina win i-CAF pho kwenzakalani impeshwane yani inilumelana impeshwane yani impeshwane nihlushwa yini yabo iyabhora lento yenzekayo iyabhora not everything is about them so manje kumele bayekwe ke bawin i-league 130,000 years kulandelana bawin i-CAF 132,000 years kulandelana ngoba wazama ukuwina uthiwa chasing us no we are not chasing you we are chasing the glory